Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to do this basic toggle. If you've ever seen this on a website, sometimes when I build websites for clients, they tell me there is too much scrolling. So a feature whereby they can be able to close some text and the website visitor will only open them if they so desire. Now look at this. I'll do two basic types of toggle here. The first one is the text toggle. Look at this. When I click on open, it opens and shows more text. You can do this on your blog post so that you can put a lot more blog posts on one page. And then when I click on close, you see it closes there. And then this is another one. This is a gallery toggle. You see these are some pictures here. And then when I click on show all, you see it shows me more pictures. And if I click on close, it shows less. So there are quite a number of plugins we can use for this, and mind you, this is all done with free tools. So the first one we can use is essential add-ons. We can use essential add-ons and we get this done. You see it has a content toggle. You can watch the demo here. You can also use which add-on. It also has toggle content switcher, and then there is HT Mega, which is actually what we are going to be using. So I've done this here. I'm just going to start afresh. I'll come back to my dashboard and I'll create a new page, and I'll call this toggle. This page is called toggle, and I'll click on publish, and then edit with Elementor. So under plugins, I already have HT Mega installed. All you can do is just come here and search for HT Mega, and then you click and you install and activate. When you activate HT Mega, it's going to show on the left hand panel. You come to settings. Now you click on elements. By default, this is how all the elements will be. You see all of these ones, they are turned on. These are the pro elements for if you have the pro version of the slider. And then you see all of these other ones, they are toggled on. What I'll simply do is that I'll click on disable all, and then I toggle on just toggle. Funny, right? Toggle on toggle. Yeah, this is what I want, and I'll click on save settings. The reason we are toggling all of this off, disabling all of these ones, is because if you leave all of them on, it's going to add a lot of bloat to your website. And then we've created our page. Toggle, I'll click on edit with Elementor. Or did I do that already? Okay, so here it is. Now I always like to turn off hide title. What I'm going to do is that we are going to go walk through both text toggle and image toggle. So what I'll first do is that I'll add a text editor here. Let me add a section up there so that it gives us space to see what's under. I'll add a section here, and then this text section, I'll make it 900 width. And then you can just come to lorem ipsum generator. This is dummy text we are going to use. This is what is going to be on top on the first section. I will copy this, and then I'm going to drop the text inside here. And then now I want to add our toggle under. I'll click here and search for toggle. Okay, I'm going to drag this and put this under here. So this is where we are going to add the text which we want to hide. And then I'm going to copy this other section here. Consider this to be a blog post. You are hiding part of the blog, part of the post, and showing some. And whoever is reading has the option to show the rest of it. Excuse me. I will paste this text here. Automatically, you can see it shows me this show all and close. You can go ahead and customize your text here. You can make it darker. You can change the font. I always like to use Poppins. Okay, you can see you can increase the line height to 30. You can do the same here. Make it pure black. Typography should be Poppins. And then the line height should be 30. Okay, then what we can do is that we can also work with the button. The typography, we can change the background color of the button. Background type, can change the background color to be black, and then you can see top padding should be 15, while left and right should be 20 each. And then we want to change the text of the button to be white. We can also change the border radius. This is too sharp, the edges are too sharp. We can change the border radius to be 5 or even 10 on each side. You see, it gives you that kind of roundness. So your visitors know that when they click this, it opens, and you can even change the text on the button. You can see read more, and then you can see read less. There you see it. When you click on read more, it opens this. When you click on read less, it closes. And that is that. So the next, we can go ahead and create another section where we can toggle off media. I want to give a space in here so that the sections are clearly demarcated. So I'll give a spacer here. Let me make this to be 250 so that there's clear space. And then I'm going to add another section here where I can add a gallery, and we can toggle that off and on. So I'm going to click on gallery. Let me just use this one, gallery, and then I'm going to choose, it should be a single gallery to make it simple. I'm going to choose some photos from my website and display them on the gallery. Let me remove some of these, there are too many. I'm going to remove some photos and display them. Let me give this a heading called gallery toggle. Gallery toggle. I'm going to center this line. I'm going to font family, let me make it Poppins. And then the width, I'll make it 800. Size, I'll make it 40. And then I'm just going to drag it up here. Click and drag. I see that there are too many pictures here. Let me say I want to remove 4 of these. Okay. So in order for me to be able to add a toggle under here, I'll go the same process, but there's a difference when you're adding media or other sections. I'll add toggle here. Okay, I've added toggle. Now, I can't just add these pictures inside here. There is a function here called Elementor template. So I'm going to come back to my dashboard. I'll go to Elementor, or you see templates under here, and I'll click on add new. And I want to create a new template, and it's going to be a section template. And I'll see GA2. I already created GA1 for the demo. And then I'll close this. I don't need anything from Elementor. I'll just add a section, and then inside the section I'll add a gallery. You could just drag the gallery and put it, but I prefer order. No, that's not the gallery I want. That's not the exact gallery I want. So this is the gallery I want, a masonry gallery. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to select other pictures. So I'm going to select other pictures and add, so that when you toggle on, it gives you a wide array of choice. I want this to be multiples of 4. Oh, okay, so it's okay. I'll insert gallery. So let me give this, should I make this 900? How does it look? Okay, yes, I'm going to adjust the toggle, the other section I did. Okay, so I can go ahead and publish this. Okay, I'll come back to my page. Let me make this section to be 900 or 1000. I think I did the other one, it was 1000. 1000. And then I'm going to reload this page so that I can be able to pick up the template which I just created. So I'll click on this, and then I'll come to select content source, Elementor template, and it's going to give me a list of templates. I'll click on GA2 and I'll add that inside there. So now when I click on this, you can see more pictures. So this is basically it. I can now come here and see more, and then I see less, and like we did the last time, you can go ahead, come to the button and change the background color to black. You can make it a gradient if you like. You have 2 colors. I can make it gradient, and then you can change the location of the gradient and all that. But for simplicity, let's make this black, and then the color should be white, and then the padding all round should be 15. I'll do that all round. Then I'll increase the right padding to 20 and the left padding to 20. And like we did the last time, border radius 10. Okay, so if I now preview this, let me preview this. You can see this text. If I click on read more, it shows me this. And for gallery toggle, if I click on see more, it shows me more pictures. So in a nutshell, that is basically how you create a toggle functionality in Elementor. This is all free. You can use this to toggle. You can even use this for products. You can use this for products. When you go to the template section on Elementor, you create products. Even maybe you have an e-commerce store, you don't want endless scrolling of your products. You can display some products here, and then you display others here. You can display pictures, you can even toggle videos and all that. Anything that is possible that you can create a template for, you can use that to toggle. Like I said, you can use essential add-ons. Most of these Elementor add-ons are basically practically the same with just a few differences. You can use which add-ons, and all of these, they all have a free version, and then you can use HTMega. That's it for me. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel, like this video and share this video, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I release videos like this, you'll be the first to know. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.